Alright, hello all you people out there. I figured today, after having a little while after creating a website, um, howtomyaffiliates.com, I would give a brief talk about there's a lot of work when it comes with it, and we're just going to talk about the search engines. Whenever you register your domain and you get your site up and running, it does not just show up on Google by itself. You must do verification with Google and all those types of things. And you have to submit a sitemap.xml. And if you're running a WordPress website, you have to know where to upload it to. So if you're gonna upload a sitemap.xml, make sure it's in your root folder. Don't try and put it in your themes folder. Put it in your root folder, and that way when Google tries to fetch it, it's able to fetch it properly. And if you get an error when you try submitting it, that's because the Google bot works on its own time. It doesn't work on yours. So after submitting it, if you check back a few minutes later, you'll probably notice that it's registered however many URLs, links that you have on your site on there. And this is in Google search box. In order to get your site, active on Google, you have to register with Google Analytics. You have to register and verify all the domain properties you have. And after you go from there, you will verify with the Google search box, and then you can submit your site maps and whatnot. You can also examine the URLs that you have. And if I were you, I would examine each and every one of them to make sure that they're registering on Google right. Because, like I said in the beginning, your website does not just show up on Google. You have to do some things to get it there. And this also has to do with Bing or Pinterest. You have to verify site ownership and work with the webmaster tools from there, but we're only talking about Google for right now. Google, after you get registered and you verify, when you go to submit your sitemap, when it asks you, type in the location of your sitemap, it's going to have your website URL there with a forward slash. The only thing you need to type after that is sitemap.xml. If you type anything other than that, you're going to get an error. So I just wanted to make a little video about that because I had no idea that it was this difficult to run a site, but there's a whole lot more to it than just building web pages. But yeah, it's howtomyaffiliates.com, and it's just basically about taking the work away from the user, doing all the search and comparison, and putting only the best options that I think the person should go with. But anyway, that's going to conclude this video. Once again, get registered with Google, verify site ownership with Google search box, and then make sure that you submit a sitemap.xml to Google search box to register all of the URLs that are on your site with Google. That is how your site is going to show up on Google. Thank you.